Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Joseph Novichkov, Senior Analyst at GDMFX with today's outlook. Starting with the US dollar right now, it rose to a 3-week high against the yen after the Federal Reserve ended bond purchases because of an improvement of the labor market. Now, the greenback also gained versus 14 of 16 major peers as traders pushed up odds of the interest rate increase next year. Even the Federal Open Market Committee maintained its pledge to keep borrowing costs for a considerable time. The Fed also said U.S. labor market has strengthened enough to withstand an end to its unprecedented asset purchase program, of course, and downplayed risk posed by declining inflation. Now, the odds of Fed borrowing costs going up by October 2015 climbed about 75% from 68% at the end of last week. Also, this is based on future prices. USD JPY right now is at 109.28, approaching the 110 yen per dollar level, the highest since the beginning of this month. Going briefly to New Zealand, over there, the local currency weakened 0.1% to 77.95 US cents after sliding 1.5% yesterday, its biggest drop since October 13. Reserve Bank of New Zealand Governor Wheeler held the cash rate at 3.5% today and, of course, signaled the central bank will keep rates on hold for an extended period as, of course, inflation shows and the currency remains unjustifiably high. The price right now is 0.7783 per US dollar. The euro is at 1.2565 versus the dollar, and of course it fell more than 200 pips throughout yesterday's trading session from 1.2740, approaching the lowest level in 11 months. And going to the commodity sector over there, gold fell to 3-week low as the dollar strengthened after the Federal Reserve ended its asset purchase program. Holdings of the largest exchange-traded product extended the decline to the lowest in 6 years, fell as much as 1.7% to 1204.50 an ounce, the lowest since October 7, before trading at $1,207.10 an ounce. Assets in the SPDR Gold Trust, the biggest bullion-backed exchange-traded product, shrank to a second day to 742.40 metric tons yesterday, the least since October 2008. West Texas Intermediate retreated, ladies and gentlemen, from a weak high after government data showed crude stock rose as output surged to a record high in the U.S. Stockpiles gained by 2.06 million barrels to 379 million in the week ended October 24th. The report came from Energy Information Administration. Supplies in Cushing, Oklahoma, the nation's biggest oil storage hub and the delivery point for WTI futures, increased by 776,000 barrels to 21.4 million. That's, of course, the highest since June. Finally, let's take a look at the most important events at the calendar today. Germany's unemployment rate in about an hour time from now, and at 12:30 GMT we're expecting US gross domestic product data. Half an hour after that, German CPI, and at 23:30 GMT Japanese CPI, also unemployment rate for Japan. That's all for today. Keep an eye on the economic calendar, important events with high volatility expectations. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.